Welcome to the AI Factory. My name is Jack and I'm the founder and creator of BizRise.io. Have you been looking for a way to monetize AI, make a product, build a business, and develop that future where you just have more time, money, and freedom? In the Build a Web App course by the AI Factory, I'm going to show you an awesome no-code, low-code platform called FlutterFlow. Now, a lot of people have said, I don't know how to use this technology. I don't know what tech is. I want you to know you can do this. They have made these platforms incredibly user friendly. A lot of times it's just about how to connect the dots. So, what are we going to do in the Build a Web App course? Let's go take a look. Let's try the marketing tab. Inside of BizRise.io, you can create brand specific marketing campaigns. Let's go check it out. I want a social media script, so I will click on social script. This is going to be your list of previously generated scripts that you can use for later or to repurpose content. Now I'm going to go to the marketing drop generator and click on that. And here's my product, BizRise.io. So I'm going to go to the content drop generator and I'm going to put it in there. What's happening now is it's going to take your AI generated community assist plan that we set up in our onboarding call, and it's going to develop a content specific script for you based on your setup. We're going to use AI to optimize every process we can. It's the most important thing we can do. What you're going to get is you're going to get a title, a script, description, keywords and hashtags. You're going to get an X post and a blog post that you're going to post your YouTube video in. I feel like I said post a lot, but we're optimizing. Now you have your social media posts. You just go execute and get on with your day. Make sure you save that. Is going to be a way to optimize one of the processes that I'm going to teach you how to do inside the AI Factory's course, How to Build a Web App on FlutterFlow. This is a user-friendly process. I started just with YouTube videos, and they've made it so amazing that anybody can build a web app. Why is that effective for you? Right now, there is an amazing unlimited opportunity. People are still trying to figure out how to make AI effective. I'm going to teach you how to build it into a process. You're going to learn how to build a no-code, low-code web app that you can also create your own community and monetize that within school. There's unlimited potential in the creator economy. You just have to know how to connect the dots, and I'm going to show you how to do that by developing an AI-powered web app on FlutterFlow. You're also going to get a free month of BizRise.io to use it while we build it. If it takes a village, let's build an optimized one with AI and go to work.